if I could run with you.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you what mistakes we make from buying a shampoo to drying and styling our hair. These mistakes cause split ends in our hair and cause them to become rough and lifeless, cause them to break, and finally result in extreme hair fall. 1. When we buy a shampoo, we make a mistake by just buying a regular shampoo that is meant to suit our hair or budget. Try to buy a sulfate-free shampoo, though they are a bit pricey. But when you find out the damage that is caused by regular shampoos, you'll think that it's worth it. Sulfates rightly produce a lot of lather and foam because they are a form of detergents or emulsifiers that attracts oil. This makes us believe it's cleaning our hair, but it has a little downside too. They can strip natural oils from the scalp and the hair, which makes your hair dry and brittle. And if your scalp is sensitive, sulfates can cause irritation like redness, dryness, and itching. 2. Don't wash your hair very often. Washing your hair often will strip oil from your scalp and make your scalp and hair dry and brittle and prone to breakage. 3. Applying oil to your scalp and hair 2 to 3 hours before washing them will make them softer and shinier. You will be amazed to see what a remarkable difference this little effort makes. 4. Always comb your hair before taking a shower. This will help your hair to be detangled beforehand, and it will be much easier to brush after washing. When the hair isn't tangled, shampoo can reach the complete length of the hair. 5. When washing your hair, don't use hot water. Instead, use warm water. 6. Never pour the shampoo directly on your head. Always dilute your shampoo in equal amount of water. Wet your hair properly with warm water. Then pour the diluted shampoo onto your head and give your hair a gentle massage. Don't rub your scalp harshly, nor use your nails to clean your scalp. I used to rub shampoo very harshly. This caused hair breakage, redness, and hair fall. As soon as I changed this habit, my hair fall and hair breakage reduced remarkably. So gently massage your scalp in circular motions and don't forget the back of your head and behind your ears. Then wash your hair with warm water, and you can repeat it if you feel your hair is still greasy. 7. Another mistake that we make is if our hair is color treated. We just buy a shampoo that is for oily, dry, or damaged hair, but we ignore the ones that are specially for color treated hair. If your hair is colored, always buy a shampoo that is suitable for colored hair. Non-sulfate shampoos too extend the life of your hair color because they do not contain harsher detergents. They're gentler on the hair and will not strip it of the color. 8. Squeeze out the water from your hair and then apply the conditioner to the hair lengths only. Always use a conditioner because it will moisturize, smooth the hair, and make it frizz-free, softer, and shiny. Don't apply the conditioner to or near your scalp because it has a lot of chemicals in it and it can cause damage to the scalp. Don't rub the conditioner between your hands very harshly. Instead, gently slide your hands through your hair from top to bottom. Natural conditioner. You can use natural conditioners too. Take 1 tablespoon lemon juice and at least 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a bowl and mix them well. It acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Apply it on your shampooed hair and wait for 5 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. 9. Always give your hair a final rinse with cold water. This will help to close the pores and lock in moisture from the conditioner. You can also use a natural leave-in conditioner after the final rinse, which will make your hair very soft, manageable, and frizz-free. And then put 2 to 3 drops of pure argan oil into your wet palms. Rub your palms together and then slide your hands from the middle to the ends of your hair. This will make your hair shiny and glossy and highly moisturized. 10. Don't rub your hair with a towel. This will cause split ends and make the hair rough and break, as the hair after washing becomes very soft and prone to breakage. Rather, gently pat your hair dry with a towel. Don't comb your hair when it's very wet. 11. Never pull your hair while brushing them. Allow the hair to air dry halfway and then start to brush your hair starting from the ends going upwards. This way the tangles will be easily removed and brushing will be a lot easier. Wet hair is more fragile than dry hair and it can break if pulled harshly. 12. Don't use hair dryers and hair straighteners very often. They cause a lot of damage to hair by drying it out and breaking it. Try to use a cooler setting on the dryer. Limit how much you use a blow dryer. Let your hair air dry partially before you use the hairdryer. Follow these tips and you will see a remarkable difference in your hair health. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye!